I just changed. You just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller.
Peace and love, not hate. Welcome to another In the Kitchen edition with your boy Chef Disaster 3.0. Today we got a delicious cornbread dressing. We get the cornbread mixed well into a pan, like so, and into a 400-degree oven where it can bake, get golden brown, and delicious. So we can break that thing up for the dressing. So when it comes out, it's delicious and golden brown. We're gonna let this thing set until it dries out, get nice and crunchy, preferably enough set. Here is the country sausage. You can use any type of protein you want. Today we're using country sausage. We're gonna get this thing in the pan. We're gonna get it cooked all the way throughly, nice and brown. Give it a nice texture. Let it release some of the flavors into the pan. See that right there? That's how you want to cook that thing right there. After that, you add your mere fry, celery, carrots, onions, green peppers, and a little bit of parsley, red herbs. So we're mixing that in with the country sausage. We're stirring it up. We're getting all those flavors reacted in the herb so that our cornbread dressing can have a delicious, savory herb flavor. We're gonna get this cooked thoroughly. Let the vegetables sweat down. While we're doing that, we're gonna break up the cornbread after it's dried up. Preferably you want to leave it out for one day so it's nice and crunchy, so it can absorb some of that delicious chicken broth. After getting that thing breaked up, here's the chicken broth I was talking about. Use any one you want. We're gonna pour that right into the country sausage and fresh herbs, and we're gonna continue to let that simmer for a little while until all those flavors are activated and incorporated. So when we get it into that dressing, everything is delicious. Everything pops off. So this is how it's looking, simmering right now. All those flavors are definitely activated in this pan right now. We're gonna go ahead and get into the party with the cornbread. So here's the sausage going into the cornbread. I put a little bit of unsalted butter in there. You can season yours however you like. I use the regular usual suspects: salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of cayenne pepper for some heat, and Italian seasoning if you have some. After you get those things mixed up, mix it in there with the cornbread real good. Get it, preferably use your hand, but for video purposes, I use a spoon. Then we're gonna bring the broth back to the party. All those flavors are right there in that broth. Once we get that in the broth, we're preferably gonna again mix it with your hand, get it nice and mixed well, and then into the pan. Once it's mixed and you got it all evened out, you can pat it down with a spoon or your hand, of course, but get it evenly spread for an even cook so you can get a delicious dressing. And look at it, here we go. Nice crust there, that's what you're looking for. Nice color, nice texture. Gonna let this thing settle down. It's gonna be the life of the party. When I make this, it's always a hit. Here it goes, plated up. It wouldn't be a thing if I didn't plate it up. There you go, a little bit of curly Italian parsley right on the top of that. And you have a delicious dressing for your family to enjoy and love during the holidays. I'm out.